Hey everybody, got a pretty cool one for you today. So I caught this massive 658 axle Manifest Burlington Northern Santa Fe BNSF train, and got it two times. But the first one you're going to see is it's crossing the Mississippi River. This bridge is a more modern bridge, on that Amtrak and all the freight traffic uses. It was built in 1990. It's a concrete and steel beam, kind of a modern looking bridge. Now in Little Falls there is a second bridge. That one was built in 1891, but then it had to be repaired and modified in 1974 after a train accident caused half of it to fall into the river. That bridge is still used sometimes, but it's for the spur that goes to Camp Ripley. It's a big National Guard Army base that does a lot of winter training for all the different branches of the armed forces right here by Little Falls, Minnesota, in that area. So anyway, so I caught it crossing the Mississippi River, which is pretty fun. Got a little ground and then the drone. And then I also got it, same train, at a grade crossing. So it's just ground and you get to see the whole train. And pay attention because there's some old green and white Burlington Northern, they're coal cars, I think, rock cars, one or the other. And yeah, just a bunch of different stuff. There's some new trucks, new axle trucks for the trains in there, and that kind of stuff. So I think you should enjoy it, and yeah, just like and subscribe if you do. Oh, I know what else. So a couple Christmas presents. I got this new hat with my Highball aerial logo on it, and then I got this shirt that's American flag with all trains on it. Oh, I also got a lanyard I don't have on that has all the hobo symbols, so people kind of know what I like, I guess, now. So yeah, enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the next one. I got a bunch more coming, I should add, too. This is kind of a Minnesota goodbye. You notice I keep saying I'm done. But yeah, I've been out the past couple days and got some really cool stuff, some neat stuff in the fog, some big trains, and a bunch of different stuff. So keep checking back, and there's going to be a bunch more coming. Thanks.